Oh, the OBS demons are against me, bro. Let me just show you what I've made so far, bro. Like, bro. I think it's my laptop that's bad. I don't know. Okay, let's just arrange the melody first. Or I could do this. Bro, it's OBS won't stop us, boy. It probably crashed like 10 times already since I started recording, but hey. So now we don't care, Bob. We don't care. Though. We're gonna share these beats. That's a little bit of mixing. Let's vibe drums. Let's vibe drums, boy. Oh, yeah. There it is. Let's go. Now, before I hear fake producer in the comments, using loops. What is this? Bro, I'm just using what somebody else made, bro. Like, you as well could be considered a fake producer because you didn't make those drum kits. Even if you did, you didn't make the dog. Even if you made the dog, you didn't invent music, bro. You know what I mean? You didn't bring yourself in this earth. You know what I mean? These are things you have to consider before we judge other people. You know what I mean? So, none of that. None of that, gang. None of that. This thing is closing too consistently now. It's getting scary. But still, we cook. Let's get the 808s, bro. Yeah, we're finna be going crazy with the 30 beat challenge. Gonna be adding a whole different bunch of artists, whole different bunch of genres. Gonna be doing that, and yeah, bro, like keep going crazy, bro. Keep showing up, keep doing your thing, bro. We're gonna keep pushing, boy. We're gonna keep pushing, boy. Shut up.
Shay, you crazy.
And yeah, thanks for the 75 subs, man. I really appreciate it. Hopefully we get to 100 by the end of the challenge. Yeah, man. Peace out.